In today's rapidly evolving marketplace, woodworking has become a dynamic business opportunity that emphasizes creativity while championing sustainability. As artisans increasingly recognize the potential of wood scraps, they're crafting a unique identity that resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. This innovative approach not only reduces waste, but also allows craftsmen to differentiate themselves in a competitive landscape. By transforming leftover materials into marketable treasures, woodworkers can offer products that tell a compelling story of resourcefulness and ethical practices. The intersection of artistry and entrepreneurship in this realm fosters a strong connection with customers who value sustainability, creating a loyal following and driving sales. As the demand for eco-friendly goods continues to rise, the woodworking community stands poised to thrive, leveraging the power of storytelling and craftsmanship to shape a more sustainable future. In the evolving landscape of entrepreneurship, woodworking has emerged as a powerful avenue for creatives to combine artistry with business acumen. As the world increasingly prioritizes sustainability, artisans have the unique opportunity to transform wood scraps into marketable treasures. This blending of craftsmanship and environmental consciousness not only reduces waste, but also taps into a growing consumer base that values eco-friendly practices. Woodworking, once considered a traditional trade, has transformed into a dynamic business model. As consumers become more discerning, they seek products that resonate with their values. Artisans who utilize wood scraps not only demonstrate resourcefulness, but also position themselves as pioneers in sustainability. This approach not only attracts eco-conscious consumers, but also sets a strong foundation for brand loyalty, as customers appreciate a commitment to reducing environmental impact. The economic advantages of working with wood scraps are significant. By sourcing materials that would otherwise be discarded, artisans can minimize their production costs while maximizing creativity. This cost-effectiveness allows for competitive pricing, making handmade goods accessible to a wider audience. As artisans craft unique items from the remnants of their projects, they create a narrative around each piece that adds intrinsic value and appeals to consumers seeking one-of-a-kind products. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of any woodworking venture. The story of sustainability can be a powerful tool for differentiation in a crowded market. Artisans can highlight their commitment to eco-friendly practices through effective branding and storytelling. Sharing the journey of each piece, from scrap wood to finished product, creates a compelling narrative that resonates with consumers and fosters a deeper connection with the brand. Social media platforms offer a fertile ground for promoting sustainable woodworking practices. Artisans can share their creative processes, showcase the transformation of wood scraps, and engage with their audience. By crafting visually appealing content that tells a story, artisans can capture the attention of potential buyers and build a community around their brand. This engagement not only raises awareness, but also enhances the overall visibility of their products. Collaboration within the woodworking community can also enhance business prospects. By partnering with other artisans or local businesses, creators can expand their reach and visibility. This collaborative spirit fosters a sense of community and encourages the sharing of resources and ideas. Networking at craft fairs, workshops, or online platforms can provide invaluable exposure to new audiences and potential customers. Consumer education is another vital aspect of marketing sustainable woodworking practices. Many buyers may not fully understand the benefits of choosing products made from wood scraps. By informing consumers about the environmental impact of their choices and the craftsmanship involved in creating unique items, artisans can empower them to make informed decisions. This educational approach can cultivate brand loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Brand loyalty is further reinforced by a commitment to quality and sustainability. Consumers are more likely to support brands that reflect their values. By consistently delivering high-quality products made from reclaimed materials, artisans can build trust and credibility. This reputation not only leads to repeat business, but also encourages positive word-of-mouth referrals, which can significantly boost sales. The creative process involved in turning wood scraps into treasures can also foster innovation. As artisans experiment with different techniques and designs, they may uncover new markets or product lines that resonate with consumers. This continuous exploration of creativity is essential for staying relevant in a fast-paced business environment, allowing artisans to adapt to changing trends and consumer preferences. Incorporating design thinking into the crafting process enhances the overall appeal of products. Understanding consumer needs can guide artisans in creating items that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. By blending practicality with artistry, crafters can attract a diverse customer base, expanding their market reach and increasing sales opportunities. As the demand for sustainable products grows, the potential for scaling a woodworking business based on scrap materials becomes more attainable. Artisans can explore partnerships with larger retailers or e-commerce platforms that prioritize eco-friendly goods. This expansion not only increases visibility, but also provides access to new customer segments, allowing small businesses to thrive in a competitive landscape. Sustainability can serve as a cornerstone of branding, setting artisans apart in a crowded market. Brands that prioritize eco-friendly practices often find themselves in a favorable position, attracting consumers who are passionate about sustainability. By communicating their values and mission effectively, artisans can create a strong brand identity that resonates with their target audience. Join us on this exciting journey of woodworking that champions sustainability and creativity. By subscribing, you'll gain exclusive insights into transforming wood scraps into unique treasures while exploring innovative business strategies that resonate with today's eco-conscious consumers. Share your passion with a community of like-minded artisans and entrepreneurs who are committed to reducing waste and crafting with purpose. Together, we can inspire each other, share valuable tips, and celebrate the art of woodworking as a sustainable business. Don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share to be part of a movement that values both craftsmanship and environmental responsibility.